You can see folks, how are you doing good? How are you folks today? I am also doing good today folks. So I have bought you another Kawasaki bike. This is I have bought you another Kawasaki bike in black color. I am telling you the features of this black color Kawasaki bike. Features are, it has a two mirrors, it has LED projector lamps at front and two mirrors, LED projector lamps at front and back, fat tires also it has, and fuel diesel you can put. Yeah, good Kawasaki bike. This is top end model Kawasaki bike. This is by Kawasaki 2024 edition. People are buying this Kawasaki bike a lot. Fantastic super hit bike. This is by Kawasaki, top end model one Kawasaki bike. This is Kawasaki bike. This is Kawasaki bike. This is yeah. Then we get this Kawasaki badging also. Let me show you 1 minute. Then we get this Kawasaki badging here. Then we get this Kawasaki badging here as well. Then we get this Kawasaki badging here. Kawasaki badging here we get here. We get this Kawasaki badging here. Then we get this fat tires, good fat tires we have, sturdy tires. ABS anti-braking. This ABS means anti-braking locking system in the Kawasaki bike. Front and rear disc brakes also it has. Yeah. Then we can take a side peek look of the bike from here as well. Now let me show you this one also. Yeah. Then this is a Kawasaki badging, big bold Kawasaki badging. With this petrol diesel fuel you can put here. Petrol diesel fuel you can put here. Petrol diesel fuel you can put here. Yeah. Good bike it is, I must say. Kawasaki bike this is. Matrix LED, matrix, these are matrix indicators. These are with halogen number plate area light and front and back LED light with halogen area number plate light. Twin peaks diesel, twin peak cylinder exhaust, sturdy twin peak cylinder exhaust. Twin peak cylinder exhaust this is. Twin peak cylinder exhaust we have the twin peak cylinder exhaust as well. Twin peak cylinder exhaust we have, good one. Yeah, the side look is too good of the bike, I must say that. Again, we have this TFT as well. TFT we have here, good TFT display, key you can put there, good TFT display, key you can put there. Then this is the mirrors we have here. Mirrors is this is the mirrors we have. Mirrors are these one. These mirrors we have with buttons. We have with mirrors and buttons. Petrol diesel you can put here. Yeah. Side look of the bike. Yeah. Side look of the bike it is. Yeah. Side look it is. One this side look we have also. Yeah. And this is the final front look of the Kawasaki bike. And this is the final front look of the Kawasaki bike 900. Now I'm telling you the features of the Kawasaki bike 900. Features are it has a LED fog lamps at front and back. with the Kawasaki badging, with the TFT display, with the petrol diesel you can put there. Fat tires are also in the bike. Yeah, features I have told you about the Kawasaki bike, top end model, and final front look of the Kawasaki bike. Too good model it is, yeah. Final front look of the Kawasaki bike, yeah. Yeah. Black model, Kawasaki bike top end model, best selling bike. This is super hit, yeah.